Boost your team's productivity by learning how to seamlessly integrate Azure with Jira. Okay, let's dive right in. The main goal here is to get your Azure DevOps projects and Jira projects talking to each other. This allows for easy data sharing and synchronized project management. We'll be looking at the best practices for a smooth connection, specifically focusing on webhooks and API keys that enable communication between the two services. First, let's start with Jira. Navigate to your Jira project, then access the project settings. Within the settings, find the Apps section. This is where the magic happens. This is the starting point for connecting to external applications like Azure. You will need to search for the Azure DevOps integration through the Atlassian Marketplace. From the Apps section, select Find New Apps option, then search for Azure DevOps. Carefully select the app that works for your needs, and the one you choose must be compatible with your Jira version. Now, let's switch gears to Azure DevOps. In your Azure DevOps project, similar to Jira, you will need to find the settings for your project. Look for the settings menu, typically represented by a gear icon. Inside the project settings, you'll find a section called Service Hooks. This is where you'll create webhooks to trigger actions in Azure. When something happens in Jira, for example, you can configure webhooks to update the development status in Jira when a code commit is made in Azure. To set up a webhook, you'll need to specify triggers that listen for specific events happening in Jira, like a new issue creation, a status change, or a comment. Then, configure the action, providing the URL from your Jira app integration and a secret key for added security. With the integration now set up, you'll be able to synchronize data between Azure DevOps and Jira. Now, you can configure your data synchronization to meet your project's needs. This includes mapping Jira issues to Azure DevOps work items and sensing statuses and comments. Using these steps ensures that your team experiences increased collaboration, improved visibility, and streamlined workflows. Your team will be able to track the entire project lifecycle from start to finish. So, get started and enjoy the benefits of a tightly integrated development environment.